We use noble ingredients to prepare the dishes of Chinese New Year. The scallops are often on the menu. Learn how to traditionally prepare them with asparagus and shiitake mushrooms. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Soak the shiitake mushrooms overnight. Drain them, rinse them. Press them to remove the water. Take out their foot. Peel the asparagus. Cut them into sections. Peel the ginger. Grate it. Keep a half teaspoon. Crush the garlic cloves. Peel them. Chop them. Cut the cilantro into chunks. Dilute half teaspoon of cornstarch in 1 tablespoon of water. Now we can start the cooking. The mushrooms, the scallops and the asparagus are first stir-fried separately. Put 1 tablespoon of oil. Heat over high heat. When the oil is hot, add half the chopped garlic. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add the mushrooms, 30 centiliters of water, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, a pinch of salt. Stir, then put a lid. Let simmer for 15 minutes over low heat. Stir from time to time. After 15 minutes, remove them. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the scallops. Add a pinch of salt. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Then remove them. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil, always over high heat. When the oil is hot, add the asparagus. Add also a pinch of salt. 5 centiliters of water. Stir occasionally for 3 minutes. The asparagus must remain crunchy. Remove them. To cook the final dish, always over high heat, put 1 tablespoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add the other half of chopped garlic, the grated ginger. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add the asparagus, the mushrooms, the scallops. Stir. Then add 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, some ground pepper. Mix for 10 seconds. Then put 5 centiliters of water. Stir for 1 minute. Add the diluted starch. Stir for 10 seconds. Then cut the fire. Sprinkle with cilantro. The scallops are ready. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my recipe. Rendezvous in my next homemade dish video.